These are the top 5 Valorant agents in my opinion. Fifth goes to Breach. He is good on defense and offense and is one of the most annoying agents to play against. In fourth, we have Cypher. The utility provides great information that can be difference between winning and losing a round. Third place goes to Brimstone. His kit is easy for beginners to pick up and is great for aggressive pushes and delaying enemies' attacks. In second, we have Gecko. Although he is only new, the ability to have the spike planted for you can easily sway around in your favor. So combined with flashes, Gecko is a force on any map. In first is Phoenix, one of the best agents in all ranks. His ult gives us a huge advantage, virtually making the round 6v5 while also having the ability to heal himself. Do you agree? So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.